Which bird is a soaring symbol of U.S. freedom, with a white head and an impressive wingspan? Bald eagle, California condor, or red-tailed hawk? The correct answer, bald eagle. Which bright blue and orange bird proudly represents New York and Missouri? Eastern bluebird, Baltimore oriole, or blue jay? The correct answer is eastern bluebird. Which cheerful singer, Michigan's state bird, is commonly seen in backyards nationwide? American robin, eastern bluebird, or mourning dove? The correct answer is American robin. Which vivid red bird is honored as the state emblem in 7 U.S. states? Northern cardinal, scarlet tanager, or American robin? The correct answer, northern cardinal.